ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾತ್ರೆಗ್ಲ ದೀಪಾವಳಿಗೆ ಅವಜಿ ಆತಿತ್ತಂಡೆ ಎಂಚ ಉಲ್ಲಾರ್ನಿಕ್ಕುಲ್ ಪೂರ. How are you? As you know, when I come up like this, it's about painting. And since the beginning of October, I was working on uh, one of my most difficult painting that I have created, and it took me almost 3 weeks to complete it. Of course, we are working, we have some free time, and I dedicate my time to the paintings that I create. So the theme of this painting is something like a misty, dreamy waterfall. It's actually a gift for my husband. He wished something like this. So yeah, I have created, watching some tutorials. Thanks to Mr. Felix, you are my inspiration. For it, I'm gonna get the painting. So this is how it looks.
3, 2, 1.
Let me know. What do you think? Okay, take care. Bye bye.